Okay. Nice, yo. Ayo, ayo. Okay, Kolisi, Anika. Kolisi, Afara. Oh, my, you come out this morning because Benin people are not the person they rest again, my brother. They are jealous, you work out too much. You know this stuff. There's this social media of it we can take place now for this Europe and in short all over the world, mostly Benin. You know this stuff, my brother, because we don't tire. Now about this Ebony matter, when you have the rain now, say Ebony go there sleep with person. Person husband be, I don't understand that they talking. Monica, we like to ask the Monica how those people will just carry this matter. Me like ask them whether Ebony get what he do, that Monica. Ebony first sleep with your husband. Those people they measure all those, or they talk all those words. So, as in, I feel like knowing from them if they have any grudges with Ebony or whatever, anything. Because the team not fit be a rank, you know this because Benin people. As in, get one video where they say they play. Say Ebony do one thing. Say as Ebony the girl only introduce. Say this is my godfather. Say they all go out on normal. Say they go out. You know this time they go and go flex enjoy. And normal they do that enjoyment finish. The girl really Ebony. I'll still try to advise you of something because not be everybody like seeing their neighbor progressing. You know this time not be everybody because I may believe say your live video of 18 you will still try the limit on. You know this time, because I believe say those are the most important things where they bring this bad belly, those grudges. You know this time. You know in this life, nobody wants to see anybody progress. You know this time. They say and I say if they do be moving, from there now you can't move, they move forward. There are many people who like they your shoe. They don't see that position, they don't see that space to say they that shoe. You know this time. So different talk. What did they have to say Ebony? So many talk because since about how many days now I just watch Ebony the story. But the most important thing is me want Ebony herself. Yeah, Ebony Obasui. I want me she herself, me she come out. You know this time? Me she really come out, come clarify herself, come prove her innocence to people. You know there are many people I believe say these things to determine her image. You know understand? But me want me she herself, me she come out. Say yes, come prove her innocence. Come talk, say yes, these things people they talk about me. Now let make the man himself come out. The most important thing, I mean over the woman, the wife to the man, I mean over see and say the woman come out, come they talk, all those things. You know understand? Monica and all that, I don't even know them before. Because this social media of 18, my brother. If your sister fair offend you will try say man, try put her in order, call her, make you let her know, say see, let me say small thing go happen, you will carry on. Small thing go happen, you will carry on. As in what this woman they do so, it's like, mommy this thing make her they do this thing. She and Ebony is like they get something hidden wey be say people not feel understand, people don't know. You know understand? They get something wey be say yes, people not feel know. You cannot believe that this matter say person go out with someone he call his godfather. Oh, I don't understand. The matter I don't understand. Call be better, my brother, because I don't understand. So this matter, me want me Ebony I said, let me just need. I need Ebony as in for she to come and say yes, come prove her innocent. Say yes, I'm innocent of those. You know understand so the matter don't get it be say our own Benin people of that matter say Benin will be say we supposed to take ourselves along. Get one law. We go to okay, imagine we will see all those other artists. They go even call Europe here, my brother. People go they pay money. They want to see Davido. They want to see Whiskey. They want why be so now Benin people that's now Benin una tribe. From una state go come the same country. Una not even care whether people come. Una not even care whether people come. Una want go spend money see them. Una go even go dey touch all those artists, all those David, all those Two-Face, this one. Una want follow the snap picture. Eh? But now see all this Ebony so. See all those. Una not go even say those are our celebrity. Those are the people that is taking Benin along. Yes. It's a proud say yes today Benin we dey get our own movie where we dey watch. We see people wey be say yes that they live Benin up. You know understand? Where be all those jealousy, all those grudges of a thing, all this you can't be like I don't understand so I want to talk. I want beg una, beg me come beg una Monica and all that. Wanna try, wanna limit this thing. You know understand? If your eye even see they use and send you message and they swear for the start. Your eye really see am. If they use and send you message, no talk about what your eye don't see. You just take calm as one say Ebony this one. As in, no matter it is, that one love, wanna try, wanna keep am. Be your brothers or your sister's keeper. Have love. You know understand? This issue of it, this one called they come out for social media today. This one they come out. I can't understand. Because the thing they pay me, the way this Monica take the things like personal issue. The great matter we be seeing with Ebony Fede. That is when me want Ebony herself. Before my mind go fit come down for this issue, I want me Ebony herself. Make she come out, come prove herself. Say yes, I am an innocent of this thing they are saying. Like seriously, I don't really have something doing with this man. Understand? I just come back this morning because the thing just pain me. I don't know what I want to. Many people are beg, una beg. No matter how it is, more get that one love. Imagine one first year happen, say they go UK, something. There are different talks all over. Different gorges. Eh? I bet Benin, we don't big pass all those kind of things. What will they do? We don't big. If your brother want progress, help him. If you say they climb ladder, help him hold the ladder. Let me say you go draw the ladder, you draw and fall. We've heard the years say they say Mike Barnett, that was then. Those things I didn't believe is still existing. So Mike Barnett, we have to do that thing. We have to return that thing back. Yeah, maybe you mad at Barnett, maybe Barnett. Maybe you need to get one love. Maybe say yes, they think they did. They think they don't as in. Me know you understand what thing they happen for Edo, all over Edo. Mostly in this Europe. Social media have taken all over everywhere. What thing they happen? Eh? This one say, that one say, this one say, this one say. Imagine if your sister even do something or your brother do something. Try call them to order. Ask them, see what thing they happen. So that love would exist for us. Not to spoil your brother. Don't carry your brother and say, do this one. You want spoil a name. You know understand? Not the car, not the carry on a brother, not the determine on a made. Not face on the do one. Imagine, say what you they do to your fellow sister or your fellow brother today. Tomorrow that person will still come and will still do one to you. You have nothing to say. Because what you be say you don't fair do. You don't understand because you way hide, bend down for back the good person yes. The other person will they see they look your but you cannot know. Eh? More try more get that one love for each other. More try. More get one love for each other. Edo people, really do. You know understand? I just come because I know you already know what I want to talk because me not confused. I just watch the as in different kind of video concerning this issue. Is an husband snatcher. This is it. As in, you never date your husband before. You never come date your brother. You not get any of your relative. You have some kind of imagine when they talk some kind of go to involve people who sit down their own. You know, go to involve people who sit down their own. Now, so if I date one shift, now so if I date this one. Imagine if all those people will call you to order now to come and prove it. What will you do? What will you do? Can you prove it to those people in their phone that they were once dating Ebony? If something happen, I'll talk with you happen. Also, I'm going to call others, going to show some kind of things, they have a proof over. What is that? You have to live your life. Let other someone live his own life. Don't take someone's issue as your own personal issue, which is very bad. What did they happen, Edo people? What did they happen? I don't understand. What I'm really trying to do now is I want everybody because ever since I've been watching, all those videos saying about Ebony. I have never seen Ebony on social media. I want Ebony to come and prove innocent to your fans, prove innocent to Edo people, prove innocent to your lovely ones that you are an innocent of these things they are accusing you of. Really? Wetin dey happen? Una try make that love make dey exist for us. Me dey beg una Edo people. Wala o, imi ameji medigwe, imi eniwa. Una stop all those things, all those social media things to una self. Huh? If you do today, tomorrow other person will still come out. That one will still do you. Wetin dey happen? If you do today, the other one will come out tomorrow, will still do you. Wetin dey happen? If this one mess, social media na go hear am. If your fellow brother UK or your the rain, nobody rain come out. Other one don still come. All those things na waiting for life. We know they happy to see all those people, all those the Sadokpai, the Sadoka, all those the Ebony of it. I'm very happy seeing them performing. Yes, I'm very happy. You know understand? I'm very happy seeing them performing. Yeah, those are my people. I'm proud of it. I normally sit to watch Benin moving, subscribe to our channel, but I have no benefit of it. I have never set my eyes on going out of live video. I don't like live video in my life. I have nothing to do with live video. But it's painful that we ourselves accusing ourselves of such kind of rubbish, some kind of, I don't really know. I'm pleading to the Edo people. I'm pleading the people on top to please call this matter to order. Call them. Let us know the final truth of this issue. Understand? Please, this is what I really want. There should be a settlement over this issue. This social media of a thing should stop about this. I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not here though. I didn't know anybody. I'm not benefiting from anybody. Understand? But I just want a peace. We should please stop all those things happening. As in about saying bad words about your sister or about your brother or whatever. Understand? Yeah. Like my father's name, but when he did a good thing, of helping Edo people. Yes, he did a good thing of helping Edo people. It's not by power, it's not by anything. Just the love that he has for people to take his own state to the next level. That's why those people are doing those things. Why after those things there will be a side talk? This, I don't know. We should please, Edo people, please and please and please and please again. Have love for yourself. Be your brother's keeper. Understand? Yes. Be your brother's keeper. Try more, try. Not only Edo things now we they talk. Our God does not go good. Our actress not good. There's nothing we know the year concerning Benin. What did they happen? What did they happen, Edo people? What did they happen? Me they beg una, I beg una where? In the name of Edo. In the name of Edo, I beg una. You know understand? I beg una. In the name of Umogun, I beg una. In the name of Eyinidun, I beg una. In the name of Orile, I beg all of una Edo people. You understand? Wanna try, wanna get one love for ourselves. I need that one love. Very important to us. Very important. You understand? We'll try all those things. We'll try to stop them. We'll try to stop to talk about our brothers, our sisters, in anything. If you get grudges about anybody here, everybody get grudges here. But at least, go straight to the person. Tell them, see here for offend you. See what they swap. My mister, you offend me or you do not social. Do you know the meaning of social media? You are determining someone is made. You are determining his image by saying, going to social media and say yes. You want to prove the person wrong. No, you are not doing it to prove the person wrong. You are just killing his career or her career. I don't know. You have to please again, Edo, Walao. This is not too much. Not be only Edo dey Europe. Not be only Edo. Not be there all over the world. There are different tribes. There are different people. Edo, your chest to all that things. Cortiso, Edo. Killing of people for Cortiso, Edo. What is going on in Edo? What did they happen? Edo people are begging now. You know this. Only we use our hand repair this thing. Yes, we use our hand repair this thing. We fit do one. Yeah, because why? How we fit take do one? Say how you fit take do one and say yes. You fit dey say man, this country go better. Edo State we want take her to the next level. But be your brother keeper, be your sister keeper. That will make us to go to the next level. That will make Edo to be successful. You understand? I beg una. Edo people wey dey as one way dey Europe here. All of una dey beg una. Anywhere una dey all over the world, more get one love to each other. And if any of una dey talk, una no dey refer to people wey dey their house. Una no dey refer to people wey dey their own. If you want to say something about your brother or your sister, go straight and say it. Keep other people aside. Keep other people aside. Don't stop measuring anybody when you want to do any live video or whatever. Go straight to your point. Stop calling someone, the other people in their house or whatever. It doesn't make you move forward. Rather, it's bringing other issue to yourself because those people may go annoyed and call you. Those people may go annoyed and ask, why? As in, however, say I you on. Understand? However, say me, Imaya give on. Swear start from there. If I bonus one, me not go let me out. I swear, may I give one. If I bonus one, man, what soon we hear do allow? It may you wa. It may you one allow. I don't know no soon. And my life, I drop away now as in. Ni ma try. Ni ma cook be ni akubo redo ni akugbe very important in the world. You know understand? I want beg Ebony, beg Monica, Rita, the others. I beg una. Mo behave matured. Let peace dey. Mo dey happy for ourselves. Mo dey happy. Mo dey take our state to the next level. But what you like come? I not get anybody. I not get what they benefit from una. I not get what they benefit. But I'm happy seeing you people progressing. I'm happy seeing Edo going to the next level. You know understand? I read beg una. Let me drop this video. I don't want to share this video. May go to the source. May go to the rightful people where be say they need them. They in charge of this video. These things where they happen. So what is? I bet most stop on. Not be like. If one thing happen for Edo, I see here only town say be they come London something like that. I don't really know. You not come again, but people are saying different kind of words. What they talk, you not mean. No matter now they rave what they do. If God say you must come do that show, you must come. Nothing will stop on my brother and sister. Nothing will stop on. You must surely come do the show. Yes. You not go probably say your feel say it not happen today, not go happen again. It must happen. You don't have to lose hope over anything. Now prayer say it must surely happen. You know understand? See all those young magicians, Benin magicians, those the go, all those people need help. Can't we plan and help those people? Don't say we will carry matter, we can't carry matter, they go. We don't want we see who they climb ladder. Over here don't need why only see to it. Then you balakani here, why balakani for? Huh? Why was in? Yeah, I've been on it, I'm not been on over here a woman. At least we're making a 200 meet up here, man. Who you born? Who pay? No, yes. I cannot say. I can't go for na do allow. It may me why, you may me why, allow. I will go for now those things. You allow one more day now you talk allow. Understand? You have a new one allow. Ebony, I want to tell you something. Nobody is happy of seeing you. Whatever you are doing, you have to mind whatever you are doing. Understand? Yes, you will be cooking, go to live video. Whatever you are doing, go to live video. It's very bad. People are not happy seeing you. You have to limit your video. I believe that is the cost. I believe that is the cause because I see no other things that is going on over this issue. No man say a person deal with man saying I got father. Not me. No catch the rather they say that they fuck or whatever that they do anything. We should not take this matter easy. Who take it easy? I beg una. Me they beg all of una where they involved for this thing when they do those live. Mona stop and beg. Mona stop and mona try. Mona advise people. Don't let people come and say, yes, people are progressing. We are seeing Edo people progressing. You know understand? Now, what I don't like to they say, man, they hear. Look at Obasu Itesi. She's trying to be a legend. She needs help. She wanted those support. May don't take her to the next level. Yeah, she needs the support. She's trying to be like others. We know they see all those one more call them to other more help them. More let them know say yes, these are those people, yeah, they are trying to be like others. Must we be looking at Davido? Must we be looking at Whiskey? Must we be looking at the others? Can't we look at our own fellow state people, fellow Edo people, people from our home? Can't we give them the glory to be a celebrity? Huh? Just imagine Edo people. I beg una, beg. We get one love for our family. We get one love to take Edo to the next level. No matter anywhere. Be the person go dey call Europe. My brother not go fit tell am leak. So see how they play for the Europe side though. See. See how you take consider. You know they happen. Other tribes, either they come. Their brother they go tell them through phone. See how una take waka o. See how una take dey o. See office owner weta o. Yes. No, they get what they find. Well, no. Ima no mass, man. Ima no marry, man. Ima no real any. Is that life? Are we living a good life? Life where we know say yes today go in. Remember, if you dey do anything for this life, if you dey do anything, you feel say your time don't pass. But you get that message. You get children along. You get children where be say you give birth to their day life. You know understand? What do you don't fit do now? You don't fit do one, you say yeah, you don't do one, you don't come on. Person can pay back to your child tomorrow. You don't know I take come. It's not good you still do. Person go still come pay good to your child. Your mom do so thing to me, so yeah, oh. She's not here for me to thank her now. I have a help for you as a son or as a daughter. I will help you, I will do this for you. Yes, that's some life that they exist. When we don't want to see ourselves they progress, we need people. I beg you now. We'll try. One love keep us together. Peace and unity. Edo, I beg you now. You think not too much for Europe? It's not all over Europe. In short, social media, Edo is the highest people about gossip. Yes, Edos. They are the highest people about gossip in social media. Why? Do we have any gain over it? No gain. Your conscience not dey judge you. If you dey spoil your sister or your brother, you dey spoil am. Your conscience not dey judge you. See now your brother be now your sister be dey determine image. Wetin you wan become for life, you no wan make become man. Your conscience, you know dey sit down make you think, and your conscience not dey judge you. Why? I must stop all those. More help the upcoming ones. Those ones wey be say they just dey come, more help them. More they take their heart, share their video, comment on their this. Wherever you see say that they do something where they say yes, it will take them to the next level. Help them. Subscribe to their channel. You don't understand? Subscribe to their channel. Help them. Help them share their videos if not good ones. Don't be all those talk. This one go sleep with your wife. He go sleep with your husband. This one go do this one. Waiting. More share good things of life. Good things of life. You know this. More stop all those things where they happen. So for how many days now? More try beg una Edo people. Monica and others. I beg una. Mona get one man. Mona come to unite as in to one man. Mona unite. You know understand? United we stand, divided we fall. I beg una, I beg, I dey beg una. You know understand? I beg, I dey beg una. I know they come live video, I know go wetin I wan show belle full man dey enter live. What they do for live video? All those things not to sell your body. But if you have important thing, say you want to do for social media, one thing, you have a music, you want to push, or you can go to live video, go to social media. No being in bedroom, you be in live video, cooking, you are in live video, eating, you are on live video, whatever. It's a social media. We have to respect ourselves for once. If you have nothing important to say, you switch off your phone. Yes, you switch off your phone. Is it because of the free Wi-Fi in Europe? Is it because of the free Wi-Fi? I beg, see, this life where we dey so, I beg. Benin people, I beg, I beg. Benin people me they beg, me don't know other tribe. And me not confirm Benin. I'm a prince, a royal family. I'm from Umogu family. You know understand? If they bring a Lamogu, they greet. That shows to you I'm a full born of Edo. You know understand? Yes. More try. Make this Edo. More the year of Edo in good way. Edo women more get value for ourselves. Edo women more not try, more not get value for ourselves. We are not the only people. We are not the only people in Europe, in the world, in anywhere. We are not the only people, not only Edo. But Edo is they are going crazy all over social media. Gossiping about themselves. Talking things which is not important. Things that will not take you to the next level. Why? I don't have anything to say. I'm here to please the Edo people to please be united to yourself. Yes, be your brother's keeper, be your sister's keeper. Help your neighbor in time of danger. If your family, as in you see your friend or your brother, your sister doing anything to raise him up, support him. If you have anything to support him, let him go higher. Tomorrow he may recognize you or recognize your children. You don't understand? Yeah, why you why here though? Wala. He may you what got you body money that day now. Now you 2 years though. Man understand? I repeat again. More try, more help ourselves. And anybody they do social media, try. You they do your live video. Talk what you want to talk. Leave people who is not with you. Leave them aside. Stop calling people which is not supposed to be called. You know how this man? You know how they call people. You know how they call people name, whatever I want to do. Now that thing is spoil the Benin so. Because when you cannot call my name now on social media now and say you use me to one thing. One thing can happen. I must look for you. I must ask why. If this kind of thing really happen, you did there. Say, I used to send you message. I will not take it lightly with you. I will not be happy. I may go to any length to wicked you also. Since you want to determine my own image. Yes, such is life. So I do people. I beg you now while I talk by. I beg you now. Igwe festival see they come on the 18th. No plan. The one will visit Edouan, help the Oba of Benin. May Edo go to the next level. More do the Igwe, do a successful. Now our tradition. Now our tradition. We need to do things accordingly. You know understand? We dey beg all Edo. The Edos all over the world. I'm pleading on behalf of all Edos to please be united to yourself. United we stand, divided we fall. Please. We need one love in Edo. Edo, wala. Wagari yin egbe man. ke mariri aye enima olabe na agogo eni yedo muslim webo olabe na agogo wala bana elaye mi agbonwe eri ona wo oda fon ti yen eri ona wo mu awun yen eri wo kin ke na ma mi all will be in social media wagala wala Ebony, please, I'm very sorry about those issues, but I don't really know if you are innocent or not, but I myself prove you to be an innocent. Yes, because imagine you don't want to leave her. If she want, if anything happen, wanna talk to person straight. Don't go to a lifestyle and so do this one. No, you sleep with this one, leave those things out of this thing you are saying. How can you prove it? Do you have any proof? Imagine people will be showing that video. Is Ebony that post the video? It was not a hiding video. Yes, it was not hidden. She posted the video out. So why people they feel say na bad thing on other things? I beg una hear those people. I beg una those. I beg una with the name of our ancestors, with the name of our kingdom, with the name of everything we as a Benin. Please, I beg una. Test your battery. You will lift up in Jesus' name. Your helper shall locate you. Yeah, you people are trying harder. You people are trying. People are trying to become someone in his life. As in, you want to achieve your dream, and you shall achieve it in Jesus' name. Yeah, may God be your strength, Tessie. So that is all I have to say to the Edo. Edo, please be your brother's keeper. Help your brother in time of danger. When your brother is progressing, try support him with whatever you have. By sharing his video, you are supporting him. By subscribing to his YouTube channel is an help. Comment to his channel, you are trying. Or his support. You have a little token of money to help, ask for his account. Nothing too big, nothing too small to support your fellow brother, your fellow sister that is trying to climb on a ladder to the upstairs. Try. God bless you all. Yeah, you're why.